Good morning, viewers. Hello and welcome to the Morning News Show, where we bring you the latest headlines and insightful stories to kickstart your day. I'm Kuhina Sharma and you are watching CNN News 18. First up, on top of this bulletin, we're tracking some weather updates from the National Capital Region, where a roof has collapsed at Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport. 3 fire tenders were rushed to the spot, and as per Delhi Fire Services, 1 has been declared dead and 6 remain injured. Now, the injured have been shifted to a hospital nearby. These are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. After a roof collapsed at Terminal 1 of Delhi Airport, 3 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. As per Delhi Fire Services, 1 has been declared dead and 6 remain injured. Now, the injured people have been moved to the hospital nearby. Several parked cars have been hit. And as you can see, the visuals on your TV screens, a lot of damage on the infrastructure front has been faced. Now, let's take a look at some of the reactions that we've been getting on this report.
अभी यहाँ पे पता चला कि वो ऊपर का जो है वो कुछ कोलैप्स हुआ है, उसके वजह से मैक्सिमम फ़्लाइट उन्होंने कैंसिल करा है और कुछ फ़्लाइट होल्ड पे करा हुआ है, लेकिन वो बता नहीं पा रहे कि ये सिचुएशन कब तक क्लियर होंगी।
यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली ये हुआ कि रूफ़ कोलैप्स हो गई है और 5-5:15 बजे के आसपास रूफ़ कोलैप्स हो गई है और कुछ लोगों के साथ में कुछ लोगों का एक्सीडेंट भी हो गया। आई थिंक दे आर सेइंग कि एक आधा बंदे की डेथ भी हो गई है, तो विच इज़ प्रीटी सीरियस। और यही सब चल रहा है यहाँ पे, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी में कुछ जवाब है नहीं।
Well, these are the latest inputs that we've been tracking from the ground, where a lot of damage, infrastructural damage has also been incurred, especially after 1 life has been lost and 6 people have so far been recorded as injured. Now, these injured people have been taken to the hospital nearby. 3 fire tenders were rushed to the spot for immediate relief. Now, joining us on the broadcast with all the details from the ground is our colleague Anshul. A very good morning, Anshul. What is the current condition of the 6 individuals who were injured?
Well, yes, what the Delhi Fire Services are telling us at this point in time, that one person who was actually stuck behind that canopy collapse that happened at the Delhi airport has lost his life. But if I could just show you the kind of situation that is developing on the ground, especially the civic apathy that is being seen yet again out here in the national capital, just after the first spell of monsoon rains. I'm currently reporting from the ITO over here. You can see this massive traffic jam that has engulfed the national capital yet again. There are several parts of the national capital from where cases of waterlogging is being reported at this point in time. Just a few kilometers away from here is the Minto Bridge Road, the infamous bridge in which we see year in and year out that buses get stuck, and this time around as well, just after the first rain that happened out here in the national capital, there is massive waterlogging that is being reported not only from Minto Bridge but also from Tilak Bridge and also from parts of the North Delhi as well. So definitely the manner in which the preparations were supposed to happen, especially for the monsoons out here in the national capital, definitely that has not happened. Drainage system has been blocked across the national capital, due to which people commuting especially towards the airport and towards the railway stations are facing massive issues, and definitely another massive case of civic apathy that we are seeing out here in the national capital. Now, what is expected over the next few days is politics to start over this. We will definitely get to and fro from the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party. Before this as well, during the summer season, we also saw that how there was massive lapses, that in fact unpreparedness for the water shortages out here in the national capital. And now today, as soon as the first rains have come out, we are seeing that these massive cases of civic apathy, where waterlogging is yet again being reported from out here in national capital. You can see the amount of water that has already logged in just after a few hours of rain that had lashed the national capital this morning. So definitely a lot needs to be answered from the side of the government. A lot needs to be answered, especially to the family members of those who has lost his life in this entire incident that happened out here, especially at the airport, where a taxi driver had to lose his life because of the ill preparedness of the agencies and the authorities out here in national capital. So definitely people who are commuting from these routes, especially out here at ITO, remember, is one of the most busiest routes out here in the national capital, and the manner in which waterlogging is already being reported from here, definitely a lot of questions are being raised on the preparedness of the Delhi government and the MCD out here as well. Yes, the mayor of the MCD has said that they will visit a few sites, but definitely it seems like too little too late. Preparedness that should have happened days ago, the government is still not prepared, and you can see the manner in which the waterlogging has yet again lashed the national capital, and people commuting through these routes are facing massive issues.
Right, Anshul, indeed, heavy rainfall has brought some relief from the heat, but it has also caused a lot of waterlogging and heavy traffic jams, especially in the national capital region. But joining us on the broadcast is our another colleague, Yash. A very good morning, Yash. Take us through the details of the accident or the incident that has been reported from the airport this morning. What measures are being taken to ensure that the safety of other people who are already there at the airport?
Well, Kuhina, number one, all the operations have been actually suspended at the T1 airport, so the check-ins are not being done as of now. But the passengers who were still inside the airport, and in fact who had their early morning flights, those flights were actually departed on time. But now what we are understanding that all the departures from the T1 have been stopped. In fact, Civil Aviation Minister is also about to reach the Delhi airport to actually take stock of the situation. Already the top officials from the Aviation Ministry, including the Civil Aviation Secretary, are there on the spot. The situation there as of now, what we are understanding, the canopy which has fallen or the rooftop which has fallen has been cleared by the authorities. In fact, unfortunately, one person has lost his life in this very unfortunate incident. As of now, the traffic there has been actually affected. The air traffic has been affected really bad. All the airlines have actually issued advisories to their respective passengers about what they need to follow and what they need to do. For instance, there were many flights early this morning to Bangalore from airport to different areas like Mumbai also, and all those flights stands either delayed, or some even have been actually also cancelled, is what we are learning. So people out there are actually facing a lot of inconvenience because of these incessant rains which have actually lashed the national capital. Perhaps we can say these are the pre-monsoon showers. Still the onset of monsoon has not happened here in the national capital. In fact, the number is around 153 millimeters till 8:30 p.m. Till 8:30 a.m. Which the rain has been received by the national capital, which is a very huge number. In fact, if we talk about rains starting from 3:30 to 5:30, the rains were recorded at Safdarjung was around 149 mm. So the rain which the Delhi has witnessed is actually it's not those were very heavy showers which Delhi witnessed, but like my other colleagues were also mentioning, once again the conditions here in the national capital and the preparedness in the national capital has been stands exposed.
Right, Yash. I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast. I'll request Anshul also to stay with us on the broadcast as we're cutting across to another breaking input. Now, this one is Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu's reaction on the Delhi airport roof collapse. He says that he's personally monitoring the roof collapse incident at Terminal 1 Delhi Airport. Now, the first set of responders are already working at this site. Also, he's advised the airlines to assist all the affected passengers at Terminal 1. The injured have been evacuated to the hospital and the rescue operations are still going on. He's going to reach Terminal 1 shortly. So, these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is personally monitoring the roof collapse incident at T1 Delhi Airport. Now, Yash continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Yash, what are the possible causes being investigated for the roof collapse right now?
Well, right now, what the ministry and the Civil Aviation Minister is looking after is actually taking care of the condition at the Delhi airport. It will be a matter of investigation exactly why that collapse happened and what were the reasons for it. But as of now, like I mentioned, all the top officials from the Civil Aviation Ministry are on the spot, and in fact, Mr. Naidu will be also reaching the spot shortly. And in fact, since morning, since this incident was reported, what we are understanding, the ministry's top officials are actually looking at this very situation, and not only the official but minister himself is actually monitoring the situation. In fact, after taking charge as the Civil Aviation Minister, this is the first challenge in front of Mr. Naidu, and in fact this is